Wouldn't it be really cool if you had an area in your WordPress dashboard where you could quickly access your favorite links? Like at the moment, I've got Elementor tools, setting templates, custom code and custom fonts. And I know you're going to say, but I could easily get them from the WordPress admin sidebar dashboard. But to get to my custom code, I've got to go to Elementor, go to editor, then I've got to go into tools before I then go down to get my code. That's a lot of hovering, right? And what about like your menu for your WordPress? At the moment, you go over to appearance and then you go to menus. Well, now on my dashboard, I could just go and click menus down here and straight away access it. How did I do this? With a free code snippet. Basically, this snippet over here. All right, link will be in the video description or it will be a pinned comment. Depending on how I do it, just go and copy and paste. Add it to the Code Snippets plugin that you can get for free from the WordPress repository. Go and save and activate. Then you want to go down to settings and you want to click quick access and it takes you over here. Now, don't worry, you don't have to keep doing that. Like going over the settings. Once you've gone and set it, at any time you are back in your normal dashboard. And by the way, you can go to screen options. You can decide if you are going to see the quick access or not. So if you don't want to see it, just untick it. But at any time you want to edit this, you just go and click edit quick links and it takes you back over here. Now I'm going to show you how this works. I'm intentionally just going to get rid of the ACF and the appearance menus ones there. And I'm just going to hit save for a moment. When you come in the first time, all of this will be blank on the left-hand side. But on the right-hand side, you should see a load of plugins and different things that normally you could have accessed from the WordPress admin sidebar, and it does include the sub-menus too. What you do is click Scan Now. So if there's any new plugins or any new menu items, because maybe a plugin has gone and done an update and it's moved things around, they will now appear here. And if I go over to Elementor and I click this, these are all of the available items. Now, regenerate, you know, the one for regenerate CSS and sync library, they are buttons inside of submenu items. And there is a way to enable that as well here, but I've chosen not to do that because presentation-wise, it did not look really good. So if there's any favorite functionalities you're always going to, you can go and click them and they will get added in over here. So for instance, let me just go over to appearance. Let's go and click menu. That is now added. Look, it's right there. And if I now want to rearrange where it sits when I get into my WordPress admin dashboard quick access, I'm going to pick it up and I'm going to pop it here below all of the Elementor ones. And because all of the Elementor ones are together, it basically groups them up. So if I now hit save and I go back over to my dashboard, you're going to see all my Elementor ones that I've decided. Custom code, you know, if you like using it. If you want to quickly get over to your tools or your templates. I mean, look, let me just show you. You click templates and straight away you're into the template. None of this hovering shit malarkey. You got to hover here, hover over there and getting a bit lost. And look where my menus is now. Like I said, before you went over sidebar, you went to appearance, you hovered over it, you got to menus. Now you just click menus and you're in the menus. It's a free code snippet. I'm Imran from Web Squadron. I hope you like, subscribe, share and follow. Make sure you join our channel for access to exclusive videos. Sign up for our courses. Keep supporting me because I'll keep supporting you. Take care. See you soon. Bye.